Avery Donahue says, I watch you every day and still don't fully understand what you have to offer. Can you run through that real quick? I'd love to. You're lucky you got me on the stream today, so I will be more than happy to run through what it is that your trading group offers as quickly as within 5 minutes. All right, so first off, what you're looking at on your screen is the TTG member dashboard. When you sign up, this is your central hub for everything True Trading Group. There is a plethora of information on this page. Every day we post our main watch list here. All right, we have our announcements and schedules for the month. We have a complete getting started tab. So everyone that signs up, the biggest question we get is, how do we claim the laptop? Well, your instructions right there. We have our mobile app. This is how there's a 1 minute and 27-second video that you watch. It'll explain how to download it, how to pair it. That's if you're a trial or a full member. It's all the same. We have a full economic calendar. And then this is basically like your starting point area. But we trade how many different styles, Mike, in True Trading Group? What do we trade?
Dude, we day trade, we swing trade. We have one scalper. We do short-term swing trading, long-term swing trading. We do long-term investing. We do trend continuation, trend reversal, high volatility, low volatility. You name it, we do it. Small cap, mid cap, large cap, commodities. There's something for everybody.
So because of that fact, we can't just have one watch list. So included in our premium blog every single day, we give you multiple different watch lists. So we have our main watch list that Mike puts together, but we also have 9 other pro traders in here. So Shy Martin puts together her options day trading watch list for you. Geo puts together a watch list specifically geared towards the SPY. We put together top 3 things to watch in the market today. We put together a full options watch list, a swing trading for equities watch list. Moment puts out his options watch list. So as you can see, there is a tremendous amount of information that is given out with multiple watch lists every day. And then daily, we give a recap called the TTG Daily Digest, where you can get a glimpse of everything that happened in the chat that day, even if you miss it. That's a lot of really great information to the right. So again, here to the right of this, we have our real-time watch list. So we'd love to thank our partners at Quote Media for this. Quote Media provides all of our real-time equities and options data for our website. Grateful to them, awesome partnership. But that means that you guys, for no additional cost, get access to real-time data. Once you sign up, there's clear instructions on how to activate it. This account is already active, so I'll show you how it powers some of the tools and features inside of your member dashboard. Right now, I have my default watch list, but you can easily create another one. So I'll do TTG test, save, excellent, give it a symbol. Yep, let's add Apple, let's add Google, let's add the SPY. And you get the idea, okay? So now you are able to have your watch list, and as you can see, it is quite literally down to the cent in terms of accuracy and streaming live tick for tick data right inside of your member dashboard every single day, which is fantastic. Then of course you have all the courses. Each time you pass a course, you get a new badge. So you have the courses here on the left-hand side. We have the TTG Start Here, TTG 101. Obviously, that's where you want to start. We have a 22-course curriculum that is huge and covers every single topic you'd want to learn. Whether you are a beginner trader or a pro, we have you covered. Joe, if you could go ahead and potentially post the full syllabus, that would be great. I will show you what this looks like, but essentially what happens here, so every curriculum has different courses. Every course has different chapters. Every chapter has different lessons. Everything is in video and text. Every time you complete a course, you will take a 30-question exam. You pass that with an 85% or more, you get your next certificate. Before I get into all the real-time tools, I do want to show you that aside from the courses, we have a tremendous amount of information in the Red to Greens, Trader Paloozas, webinars and study groups, and Colada Club. Mike, how would you describe the Colada Club, if you could?
Man, honestly, the club, that's where the day gets set. That's where that Colada Club, guys, is where the game plans of the day really get laid out in detail, where it's, hey, this is the plan for today. This is what the mods and I think that the market is going to do. These are the individual stocks that we are going to focus on, because this is where we believe the best opportunities are going to be. And these are the levels. These are our buy zones. These are our sell zones, so that members know exactly what we are going to be doing before the market's even open. So it really is where we lay out the game plan for the day. And that's how you simplify trading. And I always tell people that you want to trust your analysis before you enter a trade, because before you enter a trade, that is when your analysis will be at its strongest, because you have no emotional connection to the trade. Your analysis before you enter will always be better than after you enter, because of the emotional connection to the trade. Before the market opens, when you come up with those clear game plans and the mods give you our game plans, now a stock reaches that price, act, buy it, short it, whatever it is from the game plan, and without emotion, follow that plan and let these stocks do what they're going to do. And that's how we've been able to just rip this market to shreds over the last several months. It's the best trading environment that I've ever seen, and the groundwork gets set right there in the morning at the Colada Club.
And what we have here is we have it broken out into different months. So we have all the video recordings here as well. We also have red to greens. So every couple of months, for those that are struggling, we hold red to green workshops. These are 2-hour-long workshops and webinars, about an hour and a half to 2 hours, to help people that are still struggling. You guys have access to all of these videos. Trader Paloozas, these are 12-hour-long live workshops that we do covering a wide variety of topics. It's absolutely amazing. You guys get access to the first 6 of them that we did. Tons of hours. It's like I think we're up to like 600 hours of video content at this time. And then of course you have all the different workshops and webinars that we do. These are just the links to get into those pages. I mean, it's a lot of information in addition to the courses. Now, real quick, to get into the tools that we have, and I'm moving around pretty fast. Another thing we have is we have real-time search up here for anyone, because it could obviously be a lot of information to digest. So right here, we have a search. So if you wanted to learn about level 2, you could just simply type in level 2. The search will populate with everything that is coded for level 2. And that'll work for just about any topic. So we try and make it as user-friendly as possible. Now, the first thing I will show you is our trading simulator. So this is directly accessible underneath market tools. They're all here. This is provided by ETNA, and as you can see, you have real-time tick-for-tick data by from Amex, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, and options data from Opera. So you can create as many different accounts as you want. This is all paper trading here. If I wanted to, that's orders. If I wanted to buy the SPY, I could go over to this tab, and you could obviously set this up any which way you want. This is just how I have this set up today. If I wanted to open a trade ticket, I could do it for the SPY. I can just move this right on top. And then literally do buy, sell, sell short, buy to cover, OTO, OCO, set the market type, comment for yourself. I mean, literally everything. We have the same exact thing with options. And what's cool about options also is that you get full options chain data, full real-time options chain data, and all of the Greeks. Again, this is live streaming tick-for-tick data that you get thanks to our partners over at Quote Media. And then, of course, the big thing that everyone really, really enjoys, and I'm really proud to offer it from Quote Media, is full book level 2. So what you are looking at right now is full book level 2. This is going to be every buy, every sell that comes through, the timestamp, the market maker, everything. Really, really fantastic tool that we have inside of True Trading Group. So this would be the simulator. Next up, you do get access to TradingView. So with TradingView, we get access to the TradingView Premium, TradingView Premium charts. Just like TradingView Premium, you create your own watch list. You have Apple News. We have a licensing agreement with them. And as you can see here, it is also tick for tick real-time data that is coming through. All right. You have unlimited indicators, unlimited layouts. As you can see, this is all part of the new True Trading Group Trader workspace is what this is. And as you can see, each chart is doing tick for tick data. We do have pre-market and post-market data, and we do allow you to share layouts and watch lists with other members, and the mods can share their layouts and chart mockups and watch lists with you as well. If you liked none of these templates, no problem. Simply, you can get rid of all of it right here, and you could literally go ahead and create your own, because everything is modular, everything is drag and drop, and the page will go on infinitely for as long as you do it. You can also create a layout where you set notes for yourself. on whatever it is that you're looking at or going over. Next up, we have the Benzinga Pro news feed. This is the quintessential real-time news feed. The only thing that would be better than this would be a Bloomberg box. Good luck with that. That's $25,000 a year. This is fantastic. You get all the news in real time. This is like $1,400 from Benzinga. We also include all insider buying, all government trades, including Miss Nancy Pelosi. And then we do have full customizable scanners, all with real-time data. And you could create your own scanners as well. So I created small caps with a high percentage of the short. With a high percentage of the float short. It gave me back 56 tickers all here. If I wanted more information on them, I can click here and I get full access to everything, including SEC filings, price history, financials, and of course, cumulative analyst ratings on all of these stocks. What you're looking at now is the Trade Ideas real-time scanner. This is streamed all day in chat. We have pre-market, small up gappers, mid-large gappers. We have halts and resumes, low of day momentum. I mean, everything is here real time for you. We also have our stock profile tool, which I already showed. And then this is pretty amazing. We offer real time unusual options data, as well as options flow and dark pool data. So for example, if we look at the SPY today, I can click on the SPY and I'm going to get the bullish versus bearish premiums, total premium calls versus puts. I'm going to get everything, right? Everything, including dark pool prints right on the chart. I get a list of open interest, short volume, institutional changes. Everything is right here. It's totally included in everything that you pay for. So there are no upsells for anything that I'm showing you here. All of our courses, all of our tools, everything is included with your membership, everything. We also have our stock insight tool. So you can search any stock. Let's take a look at ENPH, for example. You can see all the unusual options volume, everything from ENPH. You could also separate this out by sector and then kind of go from there. So, and then of course we have dark pool flow, where literally on the TradingView charts, we will have the dark pool prints laid out for you on there. And then of course we have crypto flow for anyone that is interested in crypto as well. And then, of course, the trade history. We're extremely transparent in True Trading Group. This really isn't a feature so much as it is a good obligation on our part. But all the wins, all the losses from every mod throughout the entire day is uploaded at the end of the day, every single day, so that you could see everything. We are an open book at True Trading Group. We also have a social sentiment scanner that screens Wall Street Bets and Twitter in real time. So for example, Wall Street Bets right now is the SPY is trending with 1,002 comments. And you could see the news and the different comments and everything right from here is like an aggregator. And this is just really scratching the surface, but this is, this is essentially the primary tools that you're getting. You're getting real-time data from Quote Media, Benzinga Pro, TradingView Premium. You're getting the trade simulator from ETNA, the options data from CBOE. This is a one-stop shop. And of course, you have our main chat room. As you can see, this is not a Discord. The way that we do it is our alerts go off in here. We share our screen throughout the day with you. So right now, I can select Mike's screen if I want to. So in a second, you will see that Mike is going to put out an alert in chat, and you'll see what that looks like. There you go. So it pops up here as well as the top right corner. What you will also see is that if you have the mobile app, you will immediately get a push notification. Now, obviously, this looks like a lot and can be overwhelming in chat, which is exactly why we have many different ways that you can filter your conversation. So if I only wanted to see the mods, I can click here and I'm only going to see the mods. If I want to see the mods plus everyone that's completed all the courses, I just click here and now everything gets a little bit slower. If I want to make a list of people that I want to follow, I can just double click on somebody's information. It'll tell me what level of trader they are, how long they've been a member, different badges they have, and I can click follow. And then now what I do is I can click here, and if I want to just see my followed members, I have a list here that I can do. Right. The other thing is instead of charging members for chat rooms for like 1,000 different chat rooms that cover all sorts of things, we have a really cool solution for that so that everyone can stay in the same room. If I'm interested in day trading equities, right, then I would select that here. I would click on Get Focused. And now anyone that is interested in day trading equities at this moment, we would only see each other in here. So that way we can keep the focus there. We don't miss out on anything. Everyone's getting all the alerts at the same time. It's really a great system. And this is truly just scratching the surface of it. There is a lot more. There's a lot more here. Anyways, I hope that answers your question. I know that was a little bit more than 5 minutes. It was like 10, 15 minutes, probably longer, but now you know what it is that we have, exactly what it is that we have to offer at Your Trading Group.